Welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to install a new buzzer indicator in Activa. Location of indicator buzzer is below the front cover and beside the battery. We'll remove the cover by unscrewing the 4 screws which keeps the cover intact on the Activa body. Location of 2 screws is on the lower half of the front cover, as you can see. Another 2 screws are located on the upper side. One is on the right hand side, which is just above the ignition switch. Another one is on the left hand side, which is just above the choke lever. Once all screws are out, keep it inside a tray. Before pulling the cover, double check that all screws are out and then pull the cover slowly as shown and keep it aside. Clean the chamber with the help of a rag. Pull out the protecting cover located on your right hand side. Take out the flasher relay and pull it out from the wire socket. Main purpose of a flasher relay is to control the flashing of turn indicator light. Further in this video, we are going to connect buzzer to the flasher relay so that flashing light gets synchronized with buzzer. This is an electronic buzzer which is available in the market at a cost of 40 to 50 rupees. Connect buzzer wire to the 2 individual terminals of the flasher relay as shown. While connecting the buzzer wire, make sure you don't damage it. Once buzzer is connected to the terminals of flasher relay, now this is the time to fix it back. With the help of a double-sided tape, stick the buzzer on the nearby surface. Make sure you have fixed the buzzer in the right position. Now the next step is putting back the front cover. While fitting back the cover, make sure that it is sitting in the slot as I am showing you here. So you have total 4 number of slots, and where you can just push the cover slightly, with a firm hand, and make sure that it is there on the location. Once the cover is already in the place, the final step is screwing down the 4 number of screws. Push the indicator switch and you can hear it very clearly, the sound of indicator buzzer. You see how easy it is to fix an indicator buzzer. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more updates.